Meaning of goggle-box.
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 Goggle-box. Goggle-box is a colloquial term for a television set. The word goggle refers to the wide-eyed expression that people often have while watching TV, while box refers to the shape of the device. The term goggle-box is commonly used in British English and has been in use since the mid-20th century. It can also be used more broadly to refer to the idea of mindlessly staring at a screen, regardless of whether it's a TV or computer monitor. Overall, goggle-box is a slang term that represents the prevalence and influence of television in modern society.